I just saw something that caught my eye, so hopefully find at least one piece of real silver. More Bordeaux. Okay, so this is a Reed and Barton. Haven't found any Reed and Barton yet. It's kind of hard to make it out. Just a little ladle. Okay, so this, do you all see this? There's kind of like a groove here, or the knife is tapered to a point, like right here. Why can I not think of English words right now? But anyway, this is a contact point, and what we're looking at is sterling. If you can find that groove, or seam, that's right, that's seam. There's like a seam running in the middle. You know you're looking at real silver. It's the handle only, but at least I found real silver this time. More of that Arcadian pattern, but I found something new I haven't found yet, which is soup spoons. Soup spoons are nice to find. Hopefully there will be an entire table setting that I can list. And more Oneida, Canada. And this is some kind of Rogers Bros pattern, probably. 2-door plate, Oneida community. Okay. So Oneida community pattern I have not seen before. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Kind of caught my eye here. This one. Very, very detailed. At first, by appearance, I thought this could be sterling silver, but by feel and weight, it's probably not. And it's marked R and R. R and B. Okay, sorry about that. R and B. Now, I don't know if that's Reed and Barton or it could be another company, because I made that mistake before with thinking R and B means Reed and Barton on Hollowware, which it wasn't. But maybe Flatware it is Reed and Barton, or it could be Robert and Belks by Robert and Belks from Sheffield, England. More stuff we've seen. No, that's not true. Let's look at this piece. Very antique looking silver plate. I think that it is also. Okay, what are we looking at? Orita? Orita. It's not marked as plate. It's not marked as sterling. I'm assuming it's plate though. Kind of an odd piece, and I'll have to do research on it. It's got a patent 92? 02? Feels like this wasn't made in 02. Perhaps this is a silversmith and it's real silver. I have to look that up. I don't even know where to start on that one though. Kind of an odd fellow, that one. Okay, so we go I found another grapefruit spoon. Hoping to find more. A few more of those, and then we got a set. Enough to sell. This piece is kind of nice. Looks like we've got WMA Rogers, Oneida. WMA Rogers A1 Plus. Oneida, I don't know the pattern here. This looks like the pattern Orange Blossom, but there are some. It's not Orange Blossom, it's similar though. Could be Arquebus. But these spoons that have, pieces that have that like blossom look to them, they're usually collectible. Okay, I'm on to the home stretch now. All patterns that we've seen before already. There's been a lot of Bordeaux in this box. There's been a lot of this plantation as well. These are something new. Just Bordeaux out of my view here. Look at this. Very, very nice serving forks. It's like they are International Deep Silver by Holmes and Edwards again. So that makes a set of 3 total of those, I believe. Oh, only 2. There are only 2 of them, okay. I know this box is saving all the sterling for last, right? Not necessarily. Sometimes you just don't get any sterling. More Bordeaux. More Bordeaux. Oh, another grapefruit spoon. I'm looking for 2 more. 2 more and I can list them by themselves. This Oneida is amazing. I hope it sells better than the Silverplate does. I'm not after stainless steel because I want the silver on the Silverplate, but stainless does sell okay. 1881 Rogers, Oneida, very fancy for a sugar spoon. Very florally. Just more Oneida that we've seen already. More Oneida that we've seen already. I got lucky. This is a Levine, one of those grape patterns. Every time you see grape patterns of Silverplate, they're usually going to go higher than most pieces. Gorgeous sugar spoon with intact plating, no plate loss, nothing funny looking going on here. Premium Silverplate. I haven't found much premium Silverplate in this box. I found a little bit, but that'll do. Okay, here we are. Y'all see? Can you make that out? Can you make that out? Yeah, I found some sterling finally. Took a while. Here's what it looks like. It's monogrammed as well. If you're finding 1 ounce of sterling silver per 10 pounds of plate and you pay $30, then you're doing pretty well. And that's about my average, I would think. Overall, Anchor Rogers AA. That's not, I haven't seen something like that yet in this box. Unfortunately, the box is almost empty, so I'm not going to be able to find more, but iced tea spoons are also highly collectible, as in there's not that many of them on the market, so they do sell when you can find them. I have to count up all the Arcadian I found, because boy, I found my fair share. Looks like I found a second piece of sterling. Looks like the pieces that are monogrammed. There's a monogram here. It's hard to see. We're looking at sterling, guys. 2 pieces of sterling. Funny how I was just joking that I'll find sterling in the end of the box, but it appears that did happen. Second piece with a star. Right here, we saw something with a star earlier. Oneida. I don't know what that star is for. Is that a hallmark or what? Apparently, Masonic flatware. So, hey, that's pretty cool, and it seems to be pretty valuable too. Relatively speaking, of course. The logo, I mean? Could be a logo. here's a little pickle fork. You can call that a pickle fork. You can call that a shrimp fork. Those are also hard to find, but unfortunately I'm not going to find a set of them, I don't think. Here's another iced tea spoon. There's only about 30 pieces left in the box. Now all I'm hoping for is more of that sterling. International deep silver, and this is like a tulip. Here, like some of the good stuff settled to the bottom of the box. More of that star. I still don't know what the heck that star is about. Oh, more beaded community. So I have found a decent amount of iced tea spoons at the end of the box too, so I might be able to scrounge up a listing. If I have more than 5 or 6 and I'd like to list them. If I don't, then I don't really bother. This one says, this one's marked April, the April pattern. 3 flowers on the top, okay. There is plate gloss here. See that base metal underneath? The plating is worn off on the bottom. International deep plate. Deep silver, I mean. It's like we're looking at a cute little pastry server thing. Another one of these very, very large pieces by W.M. Rogers A1 Plus. I'm going to have to look that up. I want to know what pattern I'm looking at. A nice sugar spoon. International silver plate. Look at this. What we're looking at is a master cheese knife. Very nice. Very nice. The marking is on the blade here. That's kind of unusual. Kind of unusual. And it says 1847. So it's 1847 Rogers Bros. A1. I have to look up the pattern. This pattern is Roman 1. Nice little pattern. And it's one of the prettier ones I've come across. Pretty valuable too. Shouldn't be a surprise though. And it's a very nice piece. Again, that's going to go for a premium. Another iced tea spoon. The Royal German Eagle. Royal German Eagle, guys, check it out. And it looks like it's a Swedish spoon. EPNS. EXPR. Okay, so it's Prima. Prima is a maker in Sweden, and they made a lot of nickel silver. Electroplated nickel silver. The stars really, really stumps me. Found another iced tea spoon. I do believe I have the 5. 4. Okay, 4. Hopefully I can find one more so I can list that. Looking at your silver plate is fun, but the work doesn't start until you start listing it. That can be very time consuming, but you just gotta do it. You can't just do nothing but buying and then never make any sales. Never. Always be in the poorhouse if you do that. Not like I'm one to talk though. Not like I'm one to talk. Oh, cute little baby spoon. Baby spoons are nice. W.M. Rogers, original manufacturing company. Like the rest of the boxes. Stuff we've seen before already. Here's something that's kind of unusual. Looks like a royalty. Another one of those Prima nickel silver pieces. This time it's marked as coming from Stockholm. Another Stockholm piece. Perhaps they'll be worth listing too. International silver. Okay, so this one says Frank Whiting Sterling on it. Not too bad. So I don't find these very often, but they do exist. Birth record spoons. They're collectible as well. People like to find these. People like to buy them. I mean, this is the birth record of, what's it? Raymond. The birth record of Raymond. Got a bunch of those Prima spoons that do sell for a premium. Okay, so that's it, guys. We've got our work cut out for us. I'll go ahead and show you all the final spread and weigh out the sterling in the last video of this series.